What's up, everyone? So today I am back at this little former homestead turned like green area space that I found a few days ago, and it is really cool. It's as you can see, very foggy and misty right now. So I have the A6100 that is not weather resistant, so we will see how long I stay out here with that camera. I do have the A7 II, but my long lens, the 70-350, is APS-C, and if I use that on the A7 II, then it turns into like a 8 megapixel image, so I don't want that. But yeah, this is like super cool. Check this out. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do some bird photography, some ducks and stuff, and see what I can get. The nice part with it being misty, there's nobody out here, and there are a couple little ducks. Don't know if you can see them, but they're like right there. These things are awesome. So it looks like it's gonna be a good day. This is really just a game of numbers, man. I am not a bird photographer by nature, so this is I don't want to say difficult, but it's fun. It's challenging. Like this is, I always talk about doing something out of your comfort zone. Hold on. I missed that one. Talking to you guys. Oh, here it comes back around. Let's see. Come on. I'm trying to hand hold. Trying to hand hold a camera and take pictures at 300 millimeters, 350 millimeters. You can see this thing is soaked, but pretty cool. It's like this little area tucked away in a neighborhood, and it's like not too far from where I live. Don't be creepy. So it's nice. I think I might try to come out here like once a day for a week, morning, evening, just see what I can get. Like I really do believe you want to get better at something, you gotta put in the work. Alright, I think that's it for today. Hopefully you liked this video, and I'm gonna try to do more of these little day, like not even day, this is like literally a half an hour, if that little time I spent out here. It's pretty fun. I want to get better. Like that's one thing I want to get better at, is wildlife and bird photography. Like I've really been into bird photography I've been watching the channel Bayou Josh. You guys gotta check out his channel. I will leave a link down below. He has inspired me to get out and like take more wild bird pictures, aviary pictures, and try to understand and learn more about birds. So yeah, you might be seeing more of that here on the channel. All right, get out and create stuff, you know, have fun, get out in nature, all that good stuff, you know, the whole like, subscribe. But really, in reality, however, in reality, you guys get out, make things, take pictures, and share them. All right, talk to you later.